Here are the 5 best baby cabinet lock. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Eco Baby Child Safety Magnetic Cabinet. You shouldn't have to buy multiple styles of locks to childproof your home. The locks in this set work on both cabinets and drawers, saving you money and making installation easy. Each set contains 12 magnetic locks and keys. The locks attach with an extremely strong adhesive tape that can be removed cleanly without damaging the cabinet or drawer. You also get extra adhesive tape strips if you find you need to move a lock to a different location. Other features include a plastic template to help align and install each lock properly and 12 butterfly stickers. The stickers go outside the drawer or cabinet, so you know exactly where to play your magnetic key. Number 2. Jambini Magnetic Cabinet Locks. If you love the power of magnetic locks but don't want the mess or work of drilling for them, here is a magnetic lock that doesn't require any tools. These locks use 3M adhesive, which is strong enough to withstand the tugs of a curious baby. You'll open the cabinets by using a key. The adhesive locks can be installed within minutes, saving you a lot of time and effort. If you're worried about how your locks will look, rest assured, you'll barely be able to see them. These blend in with your decor and will fit any cabinet style you have. Number 3. Cabinet Locks Child Safety Latches. These latches will work with most cabinets, and the best part is that they are simple to install. They don't require any tools, and you can attach them in seconds. All you have to do is peel off the plastic covering the adhesive strip, stick it on your clean cabinet, and you're done. To open the cabinet once it's on, reach your finger inside the top of the cabinet, and press down on the latch to release the lock. These are ideal for moms who want safety without ruining the appearance of their cabinets. Number 4. Safety One Adhesive Magnetic Lock System. Do you want to keep your cabinets looking clean and stylish, even with a baby lock system? This kit from Safety First makes each lock completely invisible from the outside. It works by using a combination of magnets and strong adhesive. Use the yellow plastic template to perfectly align each lock on the inside of the cabinet. Peel off the backing and automatically stick it to the surface without any tools or installation instructions. You can turn the lock back on with the simple press of a button. Number 5. Baby Safety Locks. You can use this multi-purpose lock on cabinets, appliances, trash cans, windows, drawers, and even toilets. Even though it will keep your baby out, you'll still be able to open your cabinets easily with one hand. This lock uses adhesive to stick to your cabinet. There's no need for drilling or complicated installation. Just wipe down your cabinet with a damp rag, and dry it thoroughly to make sure nothing is preventing the adhesive from sticking. After your baby is old enough that they aren't drawn to all the dangers lurking in your cabinets, you can remove the adhesive without ruining your cabinets.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.